The end of the cherry blossom season in this great country, Japan, heralds the first Friday night game here at Prince Chichibunomiya Stadium in Tokyo, where the home team, the Sunwolves, will host the Hurricanes from New Zealand. Nathan Vella again goes long. Oh, and into the midfield, Warren Vusiyafu has opened him up. He's taken Smith on the outside, got around Tia with a right foot step. Now the tip off for Masarewa.
Lovely ball by Parker there. And he takes on the outside, finds his outside man, but that was all. Warren Vusiyafu, great finishing.
May. Hurricanes try to build some pressure. Hit another with a show and go. Too easy. Underneath the post himself, the captain.
TJ, he throws the big dummy here, looking after the ball, which they hadn't been doing. And the other times have been here, and well, it just opened up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Probably one of the easier tries that TJ's going to score.
I guess.
Move the ball, this is nice. Kirife, what a tackle prior. Forced the ball loose. Now Warren Vusiyafu. They start a new position on the Hurricanes' 10-metre line. That kick is for Masarewa out on the left edge. Gets the bounce, they're not going to get him. Masarewa with a swallow dive to put an exclamation mark on a nice set play. Good read from Hayden Parker.
Have a look at this cross kick. Masarewa, he's been in the game all night, and the space. And we talked about an earlier try to TJ Perinault where you get much easier. Well, this one here, he's got the pace, and that's easy as you like.
That makes it at half-time, 23 points to 10, and what an entertaining opening 40 minutes we have had here. And now Smith, Laumape. Ball on the ground, Ben May just needs to get a good bounce and he'll get a try in the left-hand corner. Struggling with a leg injury, but gets the job done.
And you've got to see the space in behind. Laumape, well, he's brought this into his game, hasn't he? Just a lovely nudge through. And a great finish. You see the Sunwolves winger there, he comes up and he just can't quite turn hard enough, so he gets flat-footed. Bounce of the rugby ball into Ben Lamb's hands.
Thanks, boys.
Ebbett with the line-out win. Warren Vusiyafu is hard to hold. Ball charged down, Hurricanes, yes! Chase, Tia, we're just going to check.
Tight.
That's good. Ball's down first.
So just to confirm, I can award the try, yes?
Yes,
Thank
you
you,
may
mate.
try.
And the ball is won by Safo Moore. It gets over the advantage line with a good run. Hit another. Good skills. Where's Huijsen now? He keeps the kick in the field of play. He's got some pace, Huijsen. He's got some pace, Huijsen! What a finish!
Just a foot race in the end, and you see here TJ picks the right way. Just lovely hands here for Fida. He gets it on, and you see that infield kick nowhere near the touchline. And then it's just a foot race, isn't it? Well, they try to dive, they can't get it. And once again, the bounce of the ball into Wes's hands.
And the Hurricanes come up with a win by 29 points to 23. What has been a memorable occasion in front of a packed house in Tokyo.